If you are wondering if we have a memory card slot on OnePlus 15R, then the answer is unfortunately no. So over here I have the SIM tray that I removed from OnePlus 15R, and as you can see over here we have the SIM card slot number 1. On the reverse side we can find SIM card slot number 2, and this slot is just dedicated for the SIM card. There is no way to, for example, insert the microSD card into the SIM 2 because there is just not enough space. This slot is not dedicated. It is not a hybrid slot where you can, for example, on some smartphones decide if you want to use the second SIM or the microSD card. In this case, you just cannot simply insert it into the SIM tray. So if you are actually, if you really want to use the microSD card, then the only way to do so is by using the memory card reader. Of course, there are smaller memory card readers with just the microSD card slot, but this is, of course, pretty much the only way to actually use the microSD card if you just want to transfer files from the microSD card to the phone or the other way around. Then you can use something like that with a USB-C cable. Of course, I can understand that it is just annoying to use on a daily basis, so it's definitely not a solution that really solves the issue. But it is just like an alternative that you can use in situations where you just want to transfer files to the SD card or the other way around. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.